Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this smartphone gimbal with remote control kit. As you can see, this is an AI operating following system which operates artificial. That's really cool, and it works, as you can see in that video here. AI, automatic capture tracking camera for sports, for supporting multiple sports modes. We have an intuitive app control. It's a gimbal stabilizer for our iPhone, up to the max version, and of course for Android phones. The newest XbotGo Gimbal now includes remote control and Iwatch control functionalities. This is aimed at enhancing recording compatibilities during competitions. That means AI sports recording. The XbotGo Sports Gimbal transforms our smartphone into a personal cameraman. With this exclusive AI tracking algorithm seamlessly integrated into this 3-axis gimbal, capturing an entire game has never been easier as before. This means automatic team sports tracking. This gimbal is primarily tailored for capturing team sports. Boasting technology, compatible to tracking both the ball and the players. It's particularly well suited for recording soccer and basketball matches, as well as training sessions too. And we can make live streaming and cloud storage. Record and live streams are a game via Facebook and YouTube. We upload our footage to the cloud to save the value of phone storage. Friends and family can easily watch the game in real time via shareable link, Facebook and YouTube. And a big bunch of device compatibility and support. Both iOS and Android platforms are supported. However, to guarantee the best tracking performance, this is of course recommended using an iPhone 11 or newer or an Android Galaxy S21 or newer. Really cool. That's cool. That looks cool. That is cool. This is the XbotGo. This is driving the passions is to make esports capture effortless and accessibility to everyone and enable individuals to live and share the thrilling moments of athletic achievements. Recognizing the barriers posed by traditional sports videography methods, cost, complexity, and limited perspectivities, they embarked on a journey to redefine the landscape through the fusion of advanced AI technology and intuitive design. This brings us the XbotGo AI Sports Gimbal. Automatic team sports tracking. The game mode for soccer is available for 5-5, 7-7, 9-9, and F-12. 11-11, that means a full soccer game. And of course, basketball games, 4.5 card. Training mode. Soccer or basketball trainings, good for both. For young and adults, outer-speed adaptability is possible, and they turn our smartphone into a full automatic camera to capture the team sports with ease. Automatic recording, no human intervention is necessary. The XbotGo frees us from a hand-holding phone camera, so we can cut, just relax and enjoy the game. Whenever we are sports lovers, a coach, or parent who wants to get a game footage, the XbotGo helps us never miss a play. Multiple players tracking. Through the intelligent analytics of any sports game, focus automatically select the key players to follow and requirements. The XbotGo gimbal can achieve 90% action tracking accuracy. For soccer games on a large field, such as 9-9, 11-11, or high tripod 10 feet or taller, is required to achieve the desired tracking performance for a big game, of course. Otherwise, you can make this in a smaller field with only a small gimbal, maybe which is included too. Mastering the XbotGo. We are ready to take our sports recording to the next level. We dive into this comprehensive XbotGo, and we can unlock the full potential of our sports camera system. Whether we are a basketballer, a soccer, or rugby enthusiast, this is the big next player in shooting videos about the games with an AI device here. The XbotGo is compatible with smartphones that features either Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 CPUs or newer processor and an Apple A12 CPU or newer processors. There, of course, is recommended a phone model that meets the criteria of 11, the iPhone 11 or later, or the Samsung Galaxy S21, 22, 23 series, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Flip 4, Samsung W22 or W23 Flip, or Google Pixel 7, 7 Pro and Pixel 8, or newer, of course, the Huawei Mate 40, 50 series, or the P50, P60 series, Xiaomi 11, 12, 13, 14 series, OnePlus 9, 10, 11, 12 series, OnePlus ACE Pro, and so on. Or the Sony Xperia Pro, Xperia 1, Xperia 1, 4, the Redmi IQ00 10, 11, 12 series, Realme GT5, the Vivo X80 up to X100 or newer, and the Honor Magic 4 and Magic 5. And of course, newer. That's all possible to operate this while using the XbotGo app, and this connected to our gimbal, to this gimbal, and on top we have a remote control. The remote control you can use for remote controlling, of course, and that's a cool feature. And you have a lot of possibilities to use your gimbal, because the gimbal is a gimbal, and the gimbal will work without the app, of course. And you can make a smooth video footage with this. But if you add the really cool XbotGo app to it, you can pair each other. The remote control you can pair by your Bluetooth, and your smartphone you can pair with Bluetooth. Then you can remote control the gimbal by using the joystick. You can take a photo, take a video, and of course you can use the gimbal itself with or without the app. Then you have a joystick to navigate and go through the modes with it, which the gimbal gives you. And with the app, you can make more. That means you can make a AI tracking mode, football mode, and soccer mode, and so on. That's really cool features with that smartphone gimbal with remote control kit here by XbotGo. That's cool. That's nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.